Yes.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14 on behalf of Jitalo. Leading counsel is out of station, so kindly this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
14.
Yes, Lordship. 14 and 15, connected matter.
Mr.
BCO on behalf Jitalo.
BCO, Learning Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Tallo, prays for adjournment of the matter for how much time?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay, pray for comma list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, I like to mention item number 12 and 13. What are the connected matters?
What this has been listed for?
This is listed for orders only.
Why? Huh? Orders. What for?
Yeah, for both the leading council or after station.
Why it has been listed?
In last occasion, it was called for the TCR.
Hmm?
Last occasion is what called for TCR.
Whether the TCR has come? Have you seen the office note?
No, my lord.
Then
The TCR already had been received now.
who is for the respondent? Malota, I am appearing on behalf of Pada. Study council for the deputy. Oh, Pada. Yes, my lord. Okay. Mr. P. Naga, Learning Council, submits that the leading counsel for the petitioner is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment. Prays for adjournment of the matter. Oh, when do you want?
After 3 weeks, huh?
After 3 weeks, to which the Learning Council appearing on behalf of the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, there's interim.
The interim order passed and shall continue till the next date of listing. What is the interim?
Stream for the stay of the proceeding. Which is pending before the session court of UPIL.
No interim order was passed in this case.
In the same matter, in the item number 13, what are the connected matters? Huh?
Okay. Okay, the interim order passed earlier in 44. In criminal petition number 44, 2025 shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Obligation.
And in the 15, only the continue, huh? The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day. Okay. Okay.
My lord,
In the next item. Okay. Sorry.
I would like to mention item number 4, my lord.
Item
Item number 4.
4.
My lord, the leading counsel is out of station. And we have taken the consent from the other side.
Okay.
And maybe matter may be fixed for tomorrow.
Okay. Let's pray for by the Learning Council for the petition. List this matter again tomorrow.
Yes, no issue, madam.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Tomorrow. Yes.
May I please, Lord?
Mm.
The item number 10. Here I am the legal aid counsel. I have to file condonation of delay and prepare a memo of appeal. So I need further
Mr. Yugori, legal aid counsel for the appellant. Prays for further 2 week time
2 weeks.
to file memo of appeal. Also,
Both
condonation petition as
along
well as the memo of appeal on behalf of the appellant.
appellants.
The prayer is allowed. No, the prayer is allowed. This is matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Okay. Mr. Ete, Lana additional PP for the state, respondent is present. Okay.
Obliged, madam.
Hello.
My lord, I'd like to mention the item number 8, my lord, on behalf of health permit. I think out of station. 3 weeks time may be given, my lord.
Okay, Mr.
0 left.
Lana Council submits that the leading counsel, Mr. L. Parme, leading counsel for the petitioner is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment, pray for adjournment. The prayer is allowed, list this matter after
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
Who else? Yes,
Matter number 1,
May I have lordship?
yes.
My lord, this matter basically relates to, my lord, one LA appeal pending before this honorable court. Now, my lord, what happened? The executing court at Alo, district and session judge, my lord, issued a notice that why warrant should not be issued against the chairman of the NIPCO.
That was a state, I think.
That your lordship is state, my lord,
Ah.
in that case, my lord. So, my lord, as an abundant question, we have filed this. As a challenging this, that particular order in this CRP, my lord. Your lordship's order is here, my lord. Your lordship.
Why revision lies?
A revision line, my lord. Revision line. On that day, what happened, my lord, we were informed on that day itself, on 5th, that such order has been passed. Then, my lord, we immediately brought to your lordship's notice. Your lordship, my lord, stayed the matter on that day. That order, your lordship will kindly see, your lord, page 199, my lord. It starts at 198, your lordship's order. My lord, page 199, last paragraph C, it is submitted that in the meantime, on 16, the learned district has allowed took up the aforesaid execution petition and based on the submission of the learned counsel for the decree holder that no interim has been passed by this court, the learned execution court has issued notice to judgment debtor and the civil court procedure acting to so cause to why warrant of arrest should not be raised. Since the parties have constantly agreed to fix the matter on so for finalizing the notice issued judgment dated by the learned district judge so and so said remain state till the next date. So in the further, my lord, it was further stayed in the next date by my lord, on 24/2/2006, page 203.
There was actually no stay. There is no stay.
Now, there is a stay, my lord. Your lordship
There
has,
is a stay.
your lordship has stayed, my lord. Page,
No, not this. Stay.
the execution
of the
proceeding,
execution
my lord,
petition.
now it is stayed, my lord. On 7/5, my lord, they given an undertaking, the other side, because the honorable court.
Now stay means by which order?
Hello?
Now stayed by which order?
My lord, your lordship has stayed, my lord, your lordship has stayed.
This is execution only.
In
No, not the execution.
In LA, my lord.
Para?
Page
The notice
200,
has been
page 200,
stayed.
para
No-
5.
Notice has been stayed.
No, notice has been stayed, my lord.
Okay.
In this case, my lord, I want that, my lord, is,
No, what I'm asking is about the execution petition.
my lord, your lordship
Execution
has
petition has not been stayed.
para 5, your lordship will find. Page 200.
No, that is also in terms of the order dated 7/5.
My lord, that order.
That
Uh,
order.
uh,
But then what is the order 7/5? Whether order 7/5 stayed?
Yes, yes. 7/5, my lord, they give an
It's not a
undertaking.
stay.
Not a stay. Thereafter, my lord. Page 170. 170, na?
170.
70. That is the order dated 7/5, my lord.
175.
7/5. Your lordship will, I am just, draw your lordship's attention.
That is also.
That your lordship will kindly see 172, page 172. Applicable order to court.
In view of the aforesaid
Yes, yes.
consensus only.
Yes. Then, my lord, your lordship will find next, my lord, order.
But next is only continuation of this consensus only.
Ah.
Consensus only,
Yes.
isn't it?
Now, thereafter, my lord, the specific
No,
order
no,
is.
stay cannot be.
Huh?
This only, this probably
Ah.
has only been continued. This consensus only had been continued.
My lord, I am not, my lord,
Not that
before,
state.
I am not before, my lord, before staying the execution proceeding, my lord.
Okay.
I am only on 16/12, since that order,
Yes. Yes.
Because my lord, the appeal is pending. It
But this can be issued,
Correspondent number 72, my lord. It's
Yes.
pro forma respondent. ma'am.
pro forma
Yes,
respondent.
ma'am.
1 to 71.
But see, that is circumstances when the case is pending before this court and there is a consensus, why it has been repeatedly listed before the execution court?
I do not know, my lord. They should have pointed out, my
Did-
lord. Now
you
it
did
has
not
been
pre-
pointed out.
You did not more.
Now
not
it
make
has
any
been
prayer.
pointed out, my lord. On 10-3, my friend appeared.
Hmm.
Then he has made the clear, my lord. Now execution proceeding has been stayed.
Where?
Kept in abeyance, alo, now.
Okay, kept in abeyance by the.
That order we
executing
don't
court.
have, my lord, what we have
By the
made.
executing court.
Yes.
Okay.
My lord, I have made a
Wait,
statement.
have you annexed that?
My lord, not order, we couldn't get it, my lord, on that day. Para 15, page 38, my lord, will find. Page 38, para 15.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner says so and so, taking into account the orders of this honorable court, the learned executive court, while order dated so and so was pleased to keep in abeyance the execution proceeding and was pleased to fix the matter on itself for necessary order. We applied for the certified copy, my lord, we have not received it as yet. Sir. Uploaded, also not uploaded on Melody. yet.
That should have been done much earlier.
That's true, my lord, that's true, my lord. Yeah,
Hmm.
that should have been done, there should not be any further proceeding after 675, my lord. At this stage, my lord, may I pray, my lord, that notice may be issued. And the matter may be, my lord, the order may be stayed and matter may be taken, my lord, the matter is, the LA appeal is fixed on 1st of April, my lord.
Okay, Mr.
K. Agarwal.
Agarwal. Learned counsel for the learned senior counsel, huh?
Senior counsel.
Assisted by Mr. Senapati, huh? B. Senapati. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also had Miss. Her name, huh? Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the pro forma respondent number
72, ma'am.
72. Stop para. By filing this application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the impugned order dated 16/12/2025 passed by the Learned Court of District and Sessions Judge Harlow in execution case number 03/2025. What is this reference case
The reference case is, my lord, that
in?
2 of 2000, my lord, this is arising out of that, my lord. And that is already challenged before this honorable court, my lord, pending the LA appeal.
Whereby? Where is the impugned notice?
Page 196, my lord. 196, my lord. Annexure 15. One 197 is the relevant part, my lord. Third paragraph.
Nine three,
197.
197,
Third paragraph. Therefore, as paid by the learned counsel for
third
the
paragraph. Directing the petitioner to show cause as to why warrant of arrest should not be issued against him. How many petitioners are there? Oh, okay, against them, okay.
My lord, we are on one NIPCO, my lord. The judgment, my lord, the chairman has been met party in that, my lord.
Okay, so you are for only one person? Okay,
NIPCO, my lord. I am appearing for NIPCO, my lord.
NIPCO represented by,
Chairman, my lord.
okay. Stop,
It-
it is contended that. Where was the initial order? Initial consensus order?
170. 172. 170, it starts with 170, my lord. The operative portion is 172.
Okay. It is submitted that due to the consensus agreement by the respondent that they will not pursue the execution proceeding. Due to which no interim, due to which there no interim order was passed. And the same
Well, it continued, my lord.
continued
Yes, my lord. Even till today, my lord.
till,
Well, continuing, still, even, my lord, civil
Okay.
203,
okay,
page 203, the last order your lordship passed,
okay. 203.
24 to 2026, 24th of February.
Continued. And during the persistence of the subsistence of the said consensus order, the Planet District Judge issued the impugn so-called notice, impugn order directing to so-called as to why warrant should not be issued. And thus, where have you stated that?
My lord. Para 38, page 38, para 15.
So according to this is during the continuance of the consensus order, issuance of this impugn order is according to you?
My lord.
Why?
The impugn order is bad, my lord, because the proceeding has been, my lord, it has been agreed that they will not proceed further with the year. So, my lord, in that view of the matter itself, my lord, the notice should not have been issued, so-called notice should not have been issued to the year.
Okay. The district judge could not have been issued the said order. Issue notice. When the next date is fixed, this will be fixed separately?
No, it will be fixed along with that, it will be better.
Okay, issue notice.
My lord, my lord, the 1 to 71 are
Okay.
appearing, my lord, in the LA case also.
The petitioner
We can serve the copy.
shall take, sorry, since Ms. Wang Mo appear on behalf of the respondent number 73,
72.
72, no formal notice need be issued. the petitioner shall take steps upon the respondents by
1 to 71.
Respondent number 1 to 71 by speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today.
My lord, if your lordship permits,
Hmm.
since they are already appearing in LA appeal also,
Hmm.
but if your lordship permits, we can, my lord, serve the copy to the council appearing in that, my lord. if your lord-
Take steps. No problem. Okay. Within a week. Okay.
Yes,
that's fine. Tara. In the meantime, the
Order dated 16 to 12 to 7. Page 196, my lord.
196.
Yes, page 196, the relevant parties and 197.
The notice dated 16/12/2020. The operation of the
In place of the order, my lord, dated
Uh,
16,
okay, operation of the order dated 16/12/2025,
directing to so forth.
directing the petitioner to so cause.
My lord, your lordship will kindly mention
Sure.
chairman come managing director, my lord,
Okay,
of NIPCO.
directing the chairman come managing
Managing
director
director of
to so
NIPCO.
cause as to why warrant of arrest should not be issued shall remain state and person to receive notice, no. Remain state, that is enough, I think.
That will do, my lord, that will do. And my lord, lordship will direct that matter will be listed along with
Okay,
LA appeal.
okay.
Two of-
Was that, let this matter be listed along with the
LA appeal
LA
number 2
appeal
of
number 2 of, when it is
2024.
fixed?
Fixed on 1st of
Okay, on 1st of
April, my lord.
April. Okay.
Matter.
Item number 2,
And please, Lordship.
Yes.
Malad, this is a case where Malad, the state authorities have failed to act duty cast upon them, Malad. Now, Lordship will kindly see the petitioners are the followers of Islam, Malad. And they go to mosque or masjid for namaz every Friday or in a congregation during the this month, if Lordship will know, this Ramadan period, 1 month they have fast, and on 21st or 22nd they will have Eid after sighting of the moon, new moon. Now Lordship will see the impugn order that has been passed at page 20 annexure 1. How the state respondent authorities have acted in this case. Lordship got the annexure 1, page 20.
Yes.
Whereas the Superintendent Police ICR Nahalagan White letter number session dated 7/10 reported access to 12 unauthorized masjids and panjakhanas wherein the capital masjid near helipad Nahalagan is reflected as serial number 2 of the report as having no legal permit, including non-registration on the societies registered in the Act 1860, and request necessary action to contain such illegal structure to ensure proper law and order. Whereas another communication has been received from the Superintendent of Police ICR Nahalagan by letter number such and such dated 18 November 2025 regarding the state of the capital masjid near helipad Nahalagan, along with observation on security and law and order, wherein it is reported the masjid has been functioning since 2009 and administered by the chairman Sri Babang Pratap with the committee members of Sri Sankhang Jonah, Sri such and such, need not name all of them. Second, the land agreement was executed on 31st August 2024 between Taking and the Capital Jama Masjid Committee Nahalagan, represented by Sri Babang Pratap. Tang Taki is the respondent number 5.
Hmm.
He's respondent number, private respondent number 5. Now he has closed the entire masjid. That's why we have made him a respondent number 5 in our petition. Now next,
He has closed means the private respondent.
yes,
How?
that's why.
Under what authority?
That's why, Malad. First of all, by this impugn order, Malad, the state respondent.
So who is this? Who is this respondent number 5?
Malad, He is alleged to be son of the person who donated the land.
Okay, he, who donated the land?
Yes,
But then it appears that the structure erected by you is an illegal construction.
no,
Huh?
no, man, that I'll
Yes,
coming,
no permission was.
no,
sought
I'll
for.
coming to that, man. First, Malad, may kindly see the impugn order, man.
Hmm.
Capital Masjid Committee, Nahalang representative such and such. Masjid has no legal registration, no land title as has been issued by district administration Itanagar. A protest rally was organized on 15/11/2000 by Arunachal Pradesh Indigenous Youth Organization alleging illegal construction of masjid. Whereas as per the notification such and such, Malad, now we'll come to the operation portion, man. And whereas Malad, all Malad, see page 21, it says that whereas on records it appears that no building permit has been obtained from Department of Town
Yes.
Planning. And yes, Malad, urban local bodies for the construction of Capital Jama Masjid building near Helipad Nahalagan, no development permit has been obtained.
How
from
could you
planning.
construct without permission?
Malad, now first of all, Lordship will see this land is a private land, it's not a government land.
But then even for the private land also,
Malad, this comes under rural area, not within the Malad.
where is the
urban.
record? Where is the record?
That's why
In the rural, there is no,
no. No, in rural areas, no permissions required.
no permission is
No.
required. Anything.
No. Because
Okay.
that law is only for the capital region, madam. Now, laws, if in a rural area, village area, if I want to construct something, madam, why
Do you
should I
have
take permission?
anything to show that this falls under rural and
Yes, that's
in
why,
rural,
Yes.
this law is not applicable?
madam, that is obvious, madam. Because all the, if the state respondent says that this doesn't come under rural area, then matter would end.
You said that this is a capital Jama Masjid.
No, name is Capital Jama Masjid, madam.
I thought the capital is
No.
urban.
Not, now impugn order to obtain registration of institute from competent authority, to obtain the required building permit and development permission in accordance with the applicable laws, to immediately halt all ongoing construction works and religious activities, madam. This is very important, madam. If they can stop the construction, but that's different, madam. They cannot prevent religious activities, madam, within the compound of Capital Jama Masjid Nahalagan until further orders. We are agreed with this order, madam. Though for any purpose, for anything, madam, they can stop the construction, but we are not against that one. But they cannot prevent the religious activities within the private compound.
You are agreed by this,
Yes,
which one within the compound? All ongoing construction.
yes,
You are not agreed by this.
no. The
All religious
government,
activities,
for
religious
that,
activities.
madam, we are agreed by this impugn order as such, but as of for madam, now, this really preventing religious activities is totally violation of the Article 25 of Constitution. Now, Lordship, can you see to whom the notice has been given? Serial number 6, ma'am.
Who is this?
This is some unrecognized, or your Lordship is aware, Arunachal, every day new organizations sprouts out. And they are the persons who actually created law and order problem in the area. Therefore, the administration, instead of controlling the persons who are disturbing and creating a law and order problem, they stop the people following of Islam to pray in that area. Now, in the second matter, impugn order, this is page 22.
Same.
Same. Here, what happens, Malad,
This is, the location is different.
yes, locations,
Where?
this is Kankarnala. Malad. Now, Malad, in this, what happens, Malad? This is a place belonging to a land and building belonging to a third party, Malad. We have taken a lease to have a prayer, Malad, or namaz in that building.
The building was taken on lease.
Yes.
Construction not done by them.
No, construction, we have constructed Assam type building. Malad. Now, Lordship, that's why I'm coming, Malad, annexure 3, Malad, page 24. How the Kankardana building, that land came to us.
Lease,
Yes, madam. No, Malad,
Okay.
not least, first one, Capital Jama Masjid, man.
gift by
Give by Tang
to,
Yapyak to Capital Jama Masjid Welfare Committee, Naharlagan.
how represented by,
Zakir Hussain, Malad, he was one of our colleagues, Malad.
so then he is
Expired.
the owner.
No, Malad, Capital Jama Masjid Welfare Committee is the owner, Malad, because the masjid cannot be owned by a person, man. It's owned by community.
It is allowed
Malad?
in the land law, land rule.
Definitely, Malad, of course, there will be certain terms and conditions regarding Malad, holding of the land, at least trustee or something, which one of them should belong to a person from Arunachal Pradesh. That's how all the trusts are running in Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes,
Now, Malad, may
Yes,
the last, Malad,
Yeah.
now 29, page 29 is the lease agreement with the person, Malad.
lease is okay, but then gift,
Malad, gift. But certainly, therefore, according to this, we got land, that one, LPC, land possession certificate.
okay, you have obtained land possession certificate also
Yes, that was ultimately,
in the name of Jama Masjid.
no. That's why it
Capital
ultimately,
Jama?
Zakir Hussain, Malad. Then ultimately, that was,
No, that is why I'm asking,
Yes.
is it allowed
no, that's
under
why,
the state land law?
no,
It's not allowed in.
that's why it was cancelled, man.
Cancelled?
Yes, and therefore, what I want to, Malad, stress before this honorable court is that the land is private land. LPC is given only for private land. And in the case of government land allotment is given, madam. This shows that this land is a private land, it's not the government land. And the area, that area comes under the rural area, including the Kankardana, madam, where the second masjid, where these people go, madam, for worship. That's also not within the rural area, urban area. So Lordship will lastly may kindly see, we have submitted so many representations, my lord,
Representation to?
to the authority, my lord. Deputy Commissioner is starts from page 43. my lord.
This was issued way back in 2nd December.
Yes, since then, my lord, 1911, may kindly see page 43.
What is this?
This prayer for seeking protection of place of worship, my lord.
Any order passed thereafter?
No,
So what is the present position?
now, second is page 44, my lord.
Now, what is the present position?
Now, not a single mosque in capital region is open now. Either police says that it should be closed verbally and it has been closed, and otherwise this kind of organization, they pressure, create ruckus, and the administration closes down. And in the case of Jama Masjid, Malad, first the authority sealed the inside compound. And day before yesterday, the respondent number 5 came and sealed the outer periphery down. How the illegal activities can be allowed to be conducted by the respondent authorities. And lastly, if Lordship will see, if no permission is given, we have sought RTI from the government of Arunachal Pradesh. That starts from page 46, ma'am. Kindly see, nobody almost leaving except 2 or 3 this prayer areas, church, gurudwaras or mandirs.
Now, who is this? To whom who is this Yorna?
Here's the petition number 2.
Okay, number 2.
Petition number 1.
He was asked to furnish information
Now, he sought information
by
from the land.
DLRSO.
Yes. Now, Lordship will see, except 8, serial number 8.
Serial number?
8.
Hmm.
Nobody has the land allotment.
Okay.
And there are
So
16,
this is even with regards to the mandir,
yes,
Gurudwara,
Gurudwaras, everything.
Shiv Mandir,
Yes,
Hanuman Mandir.
yes. And they are functioning, they are not being stopped, madam. And page 48, madam,
Yes, what is, it?
except 1 and serial number 8. No, not a single church has allotment.
church also?
Yes. Therefore, why single or one particular community, madam?
Okay, this is information furnished to the petitioner
Yes,
by DLRSO.
yes.
Okay,
Now, madam, this is the total violation of the madam, Article 25, madam, of the Constitution of India. And 14 also, madam. If you treat one community, other communities being madam, permitted to do everything they want, madam, and one particular community is being stopped.
yes, Hmm.
I may be able to take instruction also
okay. So,
after week also.
Madam, our madam, Ramadan will be on 21 or 22,
to
madam.
issue notice,
Where,
Notice the issue.
madam, why we are seeking madam, interim, madam, otherwise where we will,
this was passed way back in 2nd December.
but we wanted the authority
Hard,
act,
Mr.
madam.
P. Kapo, Land Council for the petitioner, also had Mr. Estapin, Land Senior Government Advocate for the state respondent number 1, 2,
1 to 3 also.
and 2. Stop, para. By filing this application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner challenged the interim order dated 2011 2025 and 2/12/2025 issued by the Assistant Commissioner. Issued by Assistant Commissioner is the respondent number,
Three, madam.
3.
respondent number 3, Assistant Commissioner Maharaja. Whereby the Capital Jama Masjid Committee Nahalagan and the Conquer Nala Jama Masjid Nahalagan is directed to review the terms and condition of lane lease agreement to obtain registration of the institution from the competent authority and also to obtain the required building permit and development permission in accordance with the law. The petitioner is also agreed by the direction to all ongoing construction work and all religious activities within the compound of the masjid at Konkarnala and Nahalagan until further order. Para. Issue notice, okay. Full issue notice because the
Madam,
status
may
as
kindly-
of now.
No, madam, this is a very,
No, see, now, as of now,
yes,
because since December,
yes.
not December, November, the status is that entire the premises is closed.
Yes. Madam,
We will
madam,
examine and then see.
no, madam, this is a madam,
To notice. Since Mr. Tapi,
one sentence only, madam.
just a minute, accept and appear and accept the notice on behalf of the state respondent number 1, 2, 3. No formal notice need be issued. Stop. Para. the petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent, the private respondents by a speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Stop. Para. The interim prayer shall be considered on the next.
Next day.
Malad, just one line only.
Yes.
Malad, this is the Eid will be on 21 and 22, Malad.
Hmm.
40,000 believers are there in the entire capital complex, where they will congregate and offer namaz. At least not kindly for 2 days, this namaz, for namaz, it may be open, man. Only for 2 days. We are not seeking much, man. Where they will go, 40,000 believers. Whether if tomorrow they worship on the roadside, then again there will be a law and order problem.
Lordship, one thing,
Well, at-
Lordship, kindly see the impure order is in Lordship.
No.
What it says, Lordship? No building permit has been obtained from the Department of Town Planning, Lordship,
Yeah, that is.
which is necessary, Lordship,
The entire premises, it appears
Close.
illegal.
illegal.
It
No.
appears.
Once,
But then you see the record is submitted.
Close.
Seen the record also is also uh, obtained through RTI. That
Lordship,
none of the religious.
that also, that cannot be considered by this code. On the ground,
Hmm.
they have not been implemented as party.
Yeah, that is there.
That
That is
one
there.
part
But then you see
Yeah.
the.
We are not saying that there.
Oh, no, they're
Suppose-
not comparing that. But then so the Eid is on.
21 or 22, man. 2
Oh.
days. After citing the new moon, Malad,
Of
it is
Ma- of
declared.
March or April.
This month, March.
Then why you did not file earlier?
Malad,
You need to obtain instruction because you need to know the present status.
then it may be listed on Friday, Malad, Lordship. Otherwise, let him get an instruction. Otherwise,
For particular interim consideration, it can be taken up.
yes,
Friday, Lordship.
On Friday?
yes.
Okay, then in the middle, Mr. Tapo submits the Eid, what it is called? It's a
Lordship may say Eid, Lordship.
Eid on.
Eid only.
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, Lordship, once it has been held illegal, Lordship.
So that is, that is.
Once it has been held illegal, Lordship, nothing can be permitted, Lordship.
No,
But
That's the
then-
law, Lordship.
that's,
Mm.
I don't want to argue now, but
At this stage, just interim prayer. Okay. Submits that on 21. Where is your prayer?
interim prayer, Malad.
Where have you stated that there is Eid
Yes,
on such and such date?
yes. In our petition, we have said, Malad, it will be 20, Malad, and para for 12, Malad, page 12. Page 12, Malad, last line. Page 12. Further, it is to apprise this honorable court that Eid would be celebrated on 21 or 22 of March 2023 after sighting of new moon according to Islamic law.
Okay. Uh, In view of the Eid to be celebrated on 21 and 22 of March, Mr. Tapo, Lana Council for the petitioner, press for an interim order. Our Mr. Tapin, Lana Council, prays for allowing him, prays for some time to obtain necessary instruction in this regard. Look, in view of the above, list this matter again on Friday. Friday is,
20.
okay, 20. Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, the petitioners are numbered in 19 numbers. They are the land owners of the Taju area of Bam Blaze, Basar, Leparada district, my lord. The petitioners are aggrieved of the, my lord, notification dated, my lord, 1/8/2024, by which, my lord, the petitioners' land measuring about, my lord, 10,14,000 square meter has been, my lord, notified by the said notification to be as a government land which was on being donated by the petitioners along with other landowners, my lord. The said, my lord, the notification saying that, my lord, the land is being donated by the writ petitioners and some other persons on the basis of a gift deed, my lord, which is purely, my lord, vitiated by fraud and collusion, my lord. Fraud and collusion, my lord. My lord, I will come to that notification, my lord.
Mm.
My lord, when we noticed that in the petitioner's land, my lord, there were massive construction activities were going on, my lord, in the land of the petitioners, my lord.
Mm.
And on inquiry, it was told us that, my lord, the construction activity is being going on the land notified by the government, my lord, on the notified land of the government, my lord, for construction of the, my lord,
This public notice was on
District headquarters.
2021,
my lord. Public notice, lordship will find at
25/11/2021,
now 8/1/2024, my lord,
24.
notification, my lord.
Okay.
Page
But
7, my lord.
there is a public notice on 25/11/2021.
Yes, yes, my lord. That is, my lord, before the, my lord, the gazette notification has been issued,
Hmm.
my holding that the land belongs to the state, my lord. Before that, my lord, a public notice was issued on 25/11/2021, my lord,
Okay, so this was
which was also issued by the additional deputy commissioner, lordship will find at page 66.
have you challenged this?
No, my lord.
Okay.
Here, my lord, because, my lord, the notice was never, my lord, widely published, my lord, as required under the law, my lord.
Notice board also. obviously.
No, only notice board, my lord.
And-
When the land is being
and then
taken,
the HGBs of the village also.
no. These are only on the paper, my lord. Before that, my lord, may I clarify some,
Yes.
my lord. Then, my lord, we filed and we never, my lord, came across the gazette notification also, my lord. So we filed an RTA application, lordship, on 31/10/2025. Lordship will find at page 41. This is the RTA application, 20 page.
This is recently only.
Yes, my lord. That's why, my lord. I will come to that, my lord. 13/10/2025, page
But
41.
then you say, Land Council, Mr. Saikala,
My lord.
this page 67, public notice was issued way back in 25/11/2021, whereby it is, see, the information to all the owner.
Yes,
And to file objection if, in writing, if any,
yes, my lord.
regarding donation. So.
Yes, my lord.
You have already donated your land.
That's why I will come to that, my lord.
Mhm.
We never donated the land, my lord. This public notice was also, my lord, not notified publicly, my lord. It is obtained through RTA, my lord. That's why I am coming to my RTA application and the documents furnished through the RTA, my lord.
Deed of land for establishment of. Okay,
My lord.
yes.
We filed RTA application on 13/10/2025. My lord will find at page 41.
Yeah.
Seeking certain information, my lord. My lord will find the type copy at page 42.
Yes.
Particulars of the information required. A copy of deed of land. This ought to be having, my lord, deed of gift, my lord, for establishment of Leparada district. A copy of preliminary notification for land acquisition process, including claims and objection notice, Leparada district headquarter. A copy of final notification with map for Leparada district headquarter. List of meeting in connection with the selection and acquisition of the land for the Leparada district headquarter. List of the landowners and the details showing map how much land was in square meter and was donated by each landowners. Copy of the landowners meeting with the district administration conducted at the industry department, BAM, Leparada district. On this application sought by us, my lord, the district land revenue officer has supplied the information lordship will find at page 44 on 22/10/2025. Bottom, my lord, serial number 1 is the cart of one of the landowner, my lord. These documents, my lord,
Page
in
44.
page 44 is the forwarding letter by the
Okay. okay.
TIO, my lord.
Mm.
The documents are, my lord, page there is one order dated 21/2/2019, my lord, page, those you will find at page 50, my lord. Type copy is at page 50, my lord.
Yes.
For the purpose of, my lord, establishment of the headquarter, my lord,
Page 50.
page 50, my lord. The ADC has issued an order, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
The following senior citizens are cordially requested to present during the land donation ceremony by the land donors for the establishment of district headquarters on
This is 2019.
2019, my lord.
Mm.
On 22/2/2019, was issued on 21/2/2019.
Mm.
A day prior to the, my lord, meeting, my lord. In fact, my lord, by showing that, my lord, in the meeting, these are the persons, my lord, who has attended the meeting, my lord.
Mm.
My lord, kindly take note, my lord, page 54, my lord. These are the list, my lord, this Gisik area, the land owner consisting of the blazers of the Bam Blaze and the, my lord, blazers of the, my lord, Basar people, my lord,
Mm.
of the Gori village, my lord. The serial number 1 to 22 are the, my lord, Bam peoples, my lord.
Mm.
And my lord, kindly see, my lord, the at page 55, date, my lord, of the meeting, my lord, who has participated. In bottom are serial number 24, my lord. See, my lord, in signatures, my lord. The date is given, my lord. 22/2/2019, my lord.
Mm.
The list showing the dates, my lord. In fact, my lord, we have never attended we have made specific environment in paragraph, my lord. 3, my lord, that we never attended in the meeting, my lord, the Bam peoples, my lord. And signed my lord, signed the minutes of the meeting also, my lord. Attendance sheet, my lord. But this date may be kindly noted, my lord. And at page, in continuation of that attendance sheet, page 57, my lord. Bottom, my lord, witnesses. Only one, Sri Topeba, my lord, Deputy Commissioner retired.
Mm.
Kindly note the date, my lord.
Mm.
22/2/2019. The
Yes.
date on which the, my lord, meeting was to be held, my lord. And purported date of the meeting, my lord. And petitioner has made a specific environment that on this date, my lord, 22/2019, they never, my lord, attended any meeting, my lord, for land donation ceremony, my lord.
Okay. So what did you do thereafter? Have you lodged
Huh?
complaint against this?
So
So that means,
thereafter, my lord,
so,
on the basis of this, my lord, minus of meeting, my lord, a gift deed was, my lord, I will say, my lord, manufactured, my lord. On, my lord, this page, my lord, 58, my lord. May I read, my lord?
yes.
This deed of donation is executed on this day, 20th day, 20th day of May 2021. This is the date of, my lord, the instrument, my lord, by the landowners of the proposed district headquarters here.
Long after that meeting.
Yes, my lord, yes,
Mm.
long after that. I will show this, my lord. 20 May 2025 by the landowners of the proposed district headquarters here after call, the first party in the favor of the government of Arunachal Pradesh, represented by DLRSO and the Leparada district, Basar. My lord, how he has been representing the state, my lord, without, my lord, authority of the law, my lord, or authority of the state, my lord. But these are the, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, the signatures of the witness, my lord.
Mm.
witness the date, this second page, my lord, date is given 17/5/2022, my lord.
Where?
Next page of the gift deed, my lord,
Yes.
internal page 2.
Hmm.
17/5/2022, my lord.
Signature they obtain on different date.
Different date, my lord. 2021, my lord, 2021, my lord. Prior to the, my lord, the execution of the gift deed, my lord. And my lord,
Hmm.
third page, kindly see, my lord.
Oh. Gift deed was executed only on 28th,
20, my lord.
signed on 17th.
17, my lord. And my lord, the list of the my lord, landowners are given, my lord, at internal page 3 of the same said gift deed, my lord, page 16. Serial number 1 and 2. Late Imar Bam, my lord. His name was also deceased person name is also given in the list of landowner, my lord. In fact, he died in the year 2011. And serial number 2, my lord, late Martha Bam, my lord. He expired in the year 2014, my lord. And my lord, the rest signatures we denied, my lord. This is not our signatures, my lord. Even for a moment, my lord. At page 11, next page, page 61, my lord. In continuation, serial number 11, Iribam. His signature was also given by initial, my lord. In fact, my lord, he put his thumb impression, my lord, in any, my lord, documents, my lord, official documents and the bank transactions, my lord. We have annexed that, my lord, certificate also. These were all manipulated, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, again, my lord, this same, my lord, the list has been annexed here. The signature of the, my lord,
Okay,
serial
you
number,
deny the signature.
serial number 24T,
Okay.
my lord. Date
Yes. Hmm.
22/2/2019, my lord.
Hmm.
The document used, the forced document used in the for the minutes of meeting was again used in this gift deed, my lord. And also again see, my lord, in the gift deed, the last page, my lord, page 63, the signature of the witness again, my lord. Sri Topebam, retired DC, my lord. 22/2/2019, my lord.
Where?
Page 63, my lord.
Okay. Serial number?
Serial number 2, my lord. Well, below bottom, my lord, of witnesses,
Okay,
my lord.
okay. Hmm.
Topebam, signature 22/2/2019, my lord. The first manufactured, my lord, documents of the, my lord, meeting, my lord, was again here, my lord. It is used here, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
And my lord,
Hmm.
my lord, kindly be a moment, my lord.
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, the public notice was issued. Lordship has queried, my lord, page 66, my lord.
Hmm.
Type copy as page 57, my lord.
Hmm.
Whereas a land measuring such and such acre located at Gichi Gite area has been donated by the landowners for establishment of district headquarters of Leparara district, and whereas a notice is hereby issued for information of landowners and filing claims and objection in writing, if any, regarding donation of the land for establishment of the district headquarters in above location. In case any objection, it shall be filed within 30 days from the issue of this notice, and if no objection is received within specified period, it shall be deemed that the said land is free from all encumbrances. Therefore, after expiry of the above period, the land management department shall inspect the area in presence of the landowners and other members for the final demarcation. This was also not, my lord, done, and my lord, in fact, my lord, we never received this public notice, my lord. In the law requires, my lord, for the land acquisition, my lord, even in case of a donation, my lord, if it is under the Land Acquisition Act of the 1896 or the 2013 Act, any claim and objection has to be, my lord, gazette notified, my lord. This has not been done, my lord, widely published, my lord.
Hmm.
Neither it is published in the, my lord, local newspapers, my lord. Thereafter, this, my lord, gazette notification has been issued by the, my lord, Secretary Land Management, my lord, on the basis of, my lord, forged, my lord, document, my lord, and the fraud document, my lord. The entire, my lord, My lord, the land acquisition, this notification, final notification has been vitiated by the fraud, my lord. My lord, kindly see the map they have annexed, my lord, along with this notification. Page 71, my lord. This is the map, my lord, sketch map of the establishment of district headquarters at Gichigitak Bam area, my lord. This is the map, my lord. In our areas, my lord, we are not objecting to the, my lord, land donated by the, my lord, Basar people, my lord. My lord, from
Your area?
next page, my lord, page 172, my lord, it will be clear, my lord. Our land, my lord,
Hmm.
we have just to show, my lord, demarcated the boundary, my lord.
Hmm.
Left side, my lord, our land has been included in the, our land is called basically Taju area, my lord.
Hmm.
An area measuring about, my lord, 10 lakhs 14,000 square meter has been, my lord, included in the Gisigitak area, my lord. Without our consent, my lord, and by manufacturing the documents, my lord, and signatures, my lord. For which, my lord, we have, my lord, requested the executive engineer also, my lord, not to further proceed with the work, my lord. Lordship will find at page 73, my lord, till the matter is settled, my lord. And ultimately, we have also given to deputy commissioner also, and he has also not taken any action till date. Ultimately, having no option, we have filed an FIR, my lord. Lordship will find at page 78, my lord.
Okay.
Now, it has been, my lord, received by the, my lord, the OC also, my lord. Page 78, my lord. Right side, left side, my lord, the receipt is there, my lord. And on inquiry, my lord, the officer in charge has told us that, my lord, it is under preliminary investigation, my lord. They will definitely register the case, my lord.
Okay.
But our grievance is that, my lord, we are not averse to the, my lord, development and, my lord, establishment of the district headquarters, my lord. But the manner in which, my lord, our land has been forcefully taken over in violation of the principles of eminent domain, that's why we are aggrieved, my lord. We are not averse to the, my lord, construction activities and development of the district headquarters, my lord. But provided that, my lord, our land should be, my lord, acquired, my lord, in terms of the, my lord, the law prescribed by the, my lord, law prescribed by the constitution, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
My lord.
Hmm.
My lord, the case has been projected in
Hmm.
such a manner that after filing of the RTI and receiving information through RTI, he has come to know that this district headquarters is going to be established.
Hmm.
Now, my lord has seen public meetings were done in 2021. Gazette notification was issued in 2024. And establishment of a district headquarters is not a closed door affair. Practically in the field also, roads are constructed to reach that area. They cannot at this distant point of time say that we have only after information through RTI, we have come to know that the district headquarters is being established and our land also is going. That is practically impossible to admit such a submission. It is, I've also seen, I've also been to Basar. Roads are being constructed, lanes have been identified, and how come the people from that same area doesn't know that whether their land falls within this earmark area or not? Now, for rest of the instruction, how this gift deeds are, I have nothing to comment at present. I'll take instruction. But for the purpose of any interim stay, developmental work is going on. And now they are saying that we have come to know that my land also is being donated. There is a public notice, gazette notification, and even the boundary descriptions have been given whereby the persons in the north, east, west, south has been mentioned. How come they say that we didn't know? At least by the boundary description in the gazette notifications also. My lord will kindly see the,
That's why the police is not registering the case, my lord.
that is another matter. Oh, whether you had actually donated or not. Now it might be a case that after initially agreeing to the donation and now just because works are being carried out and you are not getting any benefit, now you have changed your consent, taken the consent back. My lord, in the gazette notification at page 70 also, land, the area has been described. The boundary description with the persons in the north has been mentioned, persons in the south has been mentioned, east, west has been mentioned. This was long time in the year 2024, 8 January, almost 2 years now. This also has not been challenged. Even if the description, after seeing the description of the boundary, they should have inquired whether my land also falls within this or not. They have portrayed this case as if everything was done in a closed door. Suddenly, yesterday, the construction has started. So, my lord, notice may be issued, will response, but no interim,
My lord,
because it's a
For
development.
that matter, my lord,
Mr. R. Saki,
my lord,
Planning Council for
my
the
lord,
petitioner,
just one thing to clarify, my lord.
also had, yes.
In the gazette notification, my lord,
Hmm.
it was said that, my lord, Gisik area, my lord, not Taiju area, my lord. So we were of the impression that, my lord, only Gisik area has been notified, my lord. Kindly
No.
see the notification at page 70, my lord. Page 70, my lord. Locality of the blaze area, my lord,
Hmm.
middle, my lord.
Hmm.
Gichigite area, my lord.
Is
Not
the,
Tazu area, my lord.
the proposed area, this is not the Gichikete area.
This is
Gichikete area.
Gichigite area, my lord. But, my lord, our land has been included in the
No,
Gichig area.
but then here map shows,
Yes,
and then here in the map, all the north, east, west, south. The boundary has been mentioned.
my lord,
Anyway, we'll issue notice.
my lord, on the returnable date, my lord, interpreter may be considered, my lord.
Okay. Mr. N. Rattam, Lanet, additional AG, Advocate General for the state respondent number.
My lord, I'll be appearing for 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
okay,
8 is by name,
1, 2, no, 7.
1 to 7.
Stop, huh? By filing this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the notification dated 8/1/2024 issued by the secretary, issued by the respondent number, secretary respondent number
Tree land is respondent number 2.
2. Okay, respondent number 2. Secretary, reading back, Secretary Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, whereby the land measuring 376.22 acres located at Giche Gite area described in schedule. Which have been voluntarily donated. By landowners for establishment of district headquarters at under Basar Circle of Leparada, Arunachal Pradesh. Shall be used for the purpose of establishment of district headquarters of Leparada district. Stop. Para. The land council for the petition of some sketch. The above notification has been issued based on the forge and fraud gift deed purported to have been executed by the petitioner. Start. Huh? Okay. Issue notice. Huh? Returnable by 4 weeks. Start. Since Land Additional AG, Mr. Anderton, Land Additional AG, appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the state respondents number 1 to 7. No formal notice may be issued to the said respondents. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent number 8 by a speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks. No, 4 weeks. 3 weeks. Okay, then you take a step within 3 days.
Madam.
Okay.
And for consideration of the interim.
Then, okay, then. Mr. Anderton, Land Additional AG, wait for some time to obtain necessary instruction. Stop. Okay, the interim prayer shall be considered on the next date.
Right.
Okay, the final date. Okay.
Before that, madam, they may file objection, my lord.
You file objection in the meantime?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Item number 5.
Lordship, if I may.
Okay.
Lordship, I just missed my chance this morning during mentions. Lordship, I have one matter listed as item number 11, and there's one
Today?
analogous matter with it.
Today,
Yes. There's one analogous matter which is listed previously together jointly, but it seems only one has been listed.
okay, what is this about?
Criminal appeal.
Okay,
So
when do you want this matter to be listed?
to be listed along today, along with
Today?
Yes.
Criminal appeal,
Yes,
this is for order.
yes. I'm trying for same order.
It's not possible. We'll get it listed tomorrow. Okay, both. Okay, then IA in item 11, huh? This be allowed tomorrow, okay? This also, and then IA also is paid for by Mr.
A Gamrelo.
Planning Council for the applicant. List this matter tomorrow, okay? Along with the,
Lodge.
okay, that mentioned matter. Okay,
Lodge.
yes.
Item number 5.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner on call. List this matter next week,
Lordship.
okay?
Item number 6.
Same order.
Item number 7.
Based on the bed application under section 43 of BNSS, the accused behind the bar since last 360 days, more near about 1 year slots.
What is the offense?
Offense under actual offenses and the PSP lordship. Interpreted quantity 11.8 gram was recovered from.
What is the status of case?
Uh,
case?
consideration of charge, Lordship.
Charge sheeted. Trial,
Yes.
charge considered,
Charge,
charge framed.
charge frame, Lordship.
Okay, under,
Not frame, still yet.
Hmm?
Not frame,
not yet framed,
not yet frame.
pending, for framing of charge.
Yes,
When it is fixed, next date,
23rd of April,
No, sir,
for framing of charge,
7th of April. Lord.
7th of April.
7th of April.
Yes.
Wait till
For
then.
Hearing on charges. Lord.
Okay, let us see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Land Council, had Mr.
Jeep
Hmm.
one.
Land Council for the petitioner, also had Ms. El Hage, Land additional PP for the state of stuff, who submits that the next, the case is, the case before the trial court is, fixed on
7th of April, Lordship. For hearing on
for,
charges. Lordship.
7th of April for consideration on the question of charge, okay? Framing of charge, stop. And therefore she prays that the matter may be listed after that, okay?
Okay.
The prayer is allowed, list this matter on, during second week.
Yes, Lordship.
No, April second week is holiday, then
After-
list this matter on, 21,
Yes, Lordship.
okay? On which date? The
21 of
record,
April, Lordship.
Hmm?
21 of April.
yes,
Yes, Lordship.
okay,
Then
on which
picture may
date?
be called for, Lordship.
On which date the record was called for?
Lordship, it is there, Lordship.
If it is
They are only-
possible, Lordship,
I-
kindly,
So you obtain the charge frame order also
Yes,
then on that day, okay?
Yes, sir.
On the, on which date? The,
if it
Additional
if it is
people
possible,
shall
Lord-
produce.
Lordship.
True,
the
Lordship,
updated,
through registry, Lordship, it may be called, Lordship, because
Hmm?
this is record through registry, it may be called.
okay. The registry shall, call for the updated trial court record,
Yes, Lordship.
okay?
Scan
That
copy,
may be
Lordship.
given advance, Lordship.
Updated scan copy of the trial court record,
12th of April.
okay.
That may be given
Much
an
of that.
advance, Lordship.
Hmm?
12th of April, if possible.
What?
Date. Next date, ma'am.
12,
12th of April, Lordship.
okay, that is holiday.
Holiday,
13.
Lordship. 13 also holiday.
Ouch.
Up
Till
to
19
18 is holiday, that
Till
is why.
19 holiday.
Holiday.
Okay,
Apply.
Much of that.
yes.
Item number 9, say election petition 2 of 24.
Oh. Witnesses have come?
Yeah.
Okay, how many witnesses?
2 only.
Okay, so. Hold them. Okay. Yes,
My lord, this is in continuation to the last order. That today, the official witnesses also arrived. And
so, I think you would like to cross-examine also?
My lord,
You would be cross-examining,
my lord,
you would be
the two of-
cross-examining?
my lord. Yes, my lord, yes. My lord, two official witnesses have been
Yes.
called by
that's
the
fine.
petitioner.
Mhm.
So he will examine them and I will cross-examine if necessary. It will be very limited so far as I am concerned.
Okay. Okay, so call the witness,
Yeah.
so,
One, my lord, 2 witnesses are here.
um,
I shall request the one to leave the room. One witness, second witness to leave the room. 2 witnesses are here.
Yes, yes.
okay,
One is to be leave.
Hmm.
Fourth,
okay.